Небольшие такие колебания.
Very small fluctuations, meaning target relative to the crosshair.
Visiting vehicle officer reports that the Soyuz docking mechanism is now powered up and ready to make contact with the Rasyet docking port.
Close, copy.
Here's another look at that telemetry as both picture and data tell the story.
From the crosshair, by one cell to the right, by one cell down. Here's the line. 0.15 is the range rate and closing.
Soyuz now just 40 meters away from the International Space Station docking port.
Target one cell to the right, one down relative to the crosshair center. Crosshair is aligned 0.15 meters per second and closing. Our range is 30 meters, 30. Copy and confirm. Target one cell down from the center of the
distance to target now 29 meters. Soyuz coming in very slowly at 0.15 meters per second.
Copy.
Docking systems powered and ready to latch.
Getting close to the 3 cells relative to the width of the docking port. Copy. 0.15 meters per second and closing.
You can see the thrusters of the Soyuz firing as it refines its approach.
Small drift to the right by one cell. Small deviation and pitch channel. Copy. Target is in the center of the crosshair. Crosshair is aligned. SSVP availability confirmed. Yes, we confirm the...
Visiting vehicle officer reporting to Flight Director Royce Renfro that we're 20 meters out.
Here's the line. We have roll discrepancy.
You can see the changing colors as a sunset is in the offing.
Then the bifid trimming. But further, that's okay. Okay, roll trimming confirmed. Target is in the center of crosshair. Crosshair is aligned. 0.6 and closing. Now 0.1.
You can see that black circle with the white crosshairs, the docking target that the automated systems are honing in on. In your upper left-hand corner is the docking port itself.
Target center is less than one cell below the crosshair. Crosshair
14 meters out.
Approach is smooth. Target length is 1.5 cells, slightly less. Copy. Crosshair is aligned. Target is in the center of the crosshair, 0.11 meters per second and close. Copy. Baza air confirmed. SSVP is ready. Small misalignment and roll. Trimming in progress. Target is at the center of the crosshair. Crosshair is aligned. Half cell to the right. Half cell down relative to the center of the crosshair. Copy. I'll copy.
10 meters out.
We copy all. We copy loud and clear. We have
5 meters.
Discrepancy. Target width is 3 cells. Streaming in progress. Crosshairs aligned. Half south from the center of the crosshairs. Target is pretty much at the center of the crosshair. Point 13, point 11, and closing. The target is in the center. 4 cells standing by for contact. Target in the center of crosshair. Depot firing confirmed.
Contact confirmed. We have a initial docking of the Soyuz 35 spacecraft carrying Commander Fyodor Yurshikin, NASA astronaut Karen Nyberg, and European Space Agency astronaut Luca Parmitano with the International Space Station.
10:30, 30, copy.
Preliminary docking time was 9:10 p.m. Central Time. We'll work to get you a final official time in a moment.
Yes, go ahead, Vladimir Alexeyevich. Oh, further, as I mentioned, faster than anyone. You've been faster than Pavel. Well, actually, it took us 4 hours, 47 minutes. All continue working the procedure. Write down the parameters. Turn on S7.
Standing by for the hooks and latches to drive and create a firm bond between the Soyuz spacecraft and the International Space Station's Rassvet docking module. Visiting vehicle officer reports the hooks are beginning to drive.
RPZ-1, closed. This is Moscow. I copy you now. We had a short dropout. We are standing by for CADO parameters. Allens, how copy? We copy you now, so please repeat last statement. Standing by for CADO parameters as on page 66. Bottle 1 pressure 175. Bottle 2 pressure 230. Prop 507 on both. Copy, thank you. Send Romeo 7, command now Romeo 6. We turned off the floodlight and closed RPV-1. Standing by for the...
Once again, here's a look at the visitors gallery. At the far end there on the left side of your screen, you can see Doug Hurley, the husband of Karen Nyberg, the newest resident of the International Space Station. As soon as the hooks and latches complete their driving, staying there with Brian Kelly from the Aircraft Operations Division here at NASA.
Bow pressure 805.
Again, everything went very well. Today's successful docking of the Soyuz 35 carrying Fyodor Yurshikin, Luca Parmitano, and Karen Nyberg to the International Space Station. Still unofficial time, but it was at 9:10 p.m. Central Time, occurring as the space station and the Soyuz flew about 250 statute miles over the South Pacific on a northeasterly track that will soon be taking over the northwest portion of South America.
Copy. C710. Visual pre-chow. Is in process of turning off. Okay. Your go. I sent the command. Command was successful. Copy. Copy all. Standing by on D15. LED on. Hooks closed. Copy.
Вижу там пальчик. Да.
Yes. LED is on.
15.
15, copy.
Есть погашение D13.
D12 is no longer illuminated. Copy.
Ожидаем загорания защелки втянуты Г-17.
Standing by for latch retraction LED on. Copy.
And the remote interface officer reporting relaying information from Mission Control Moscow that so far the Soyuz side hooks have closed, but we're still awaiting the latches to sync up with the Rosviet module latches. And now we're receiving a report that the Rosviet module's hooks have closed as well. So we are moving along very well in terms of having a good structural bond between the new Soyuz TMA-09M spacecraft at its docking port, Rosviet module, the Earth-facing port at the end of the Zarya control module on the station.